My name is Paul Walsh. I'm a Senior Systems Engineer for Ryanair. Ryanair is Europe's largest low-cost airline. We fly to over 37 countries. We have over 500 aircraft. We have over 3,000 flights per day. Currently we fly 168 million passengers per year, with plans to grow to 225 million by 2026. So Veeam is at the core of our cybersecurity and backup system. And using some of the built-in features of Veeam, we know that we're well protected, like the immutability and backup encryption. So using Veeam, it allows us to pass PCI, SOX and GDPR compliance on a yearly or quarterly basis. Using features like Veeam Incident Recovery, replication and backup, we can provide evidence to our auditors of our backup strategy. We use Veeam best practices to build our backup environment, and we shared these best practices with our InfoSec team, who were very happy with the strategy for our company. We use Veeam to back up over 150 terabytes of data, 550 VMs and multiple physical servers. We also use Veeam to back up our satellite offices. We use Veeam One to help rule out issues in our environment when we're dealing with third-party vendors. One of the most common issues causing performance in our environment is overly large snapshots. Using Veeam One alerting, we are able to detect these snapshots before they grow over large and cause issues. At Ryanair, we use multi-factor authentication, which is one of the new features of the Veeam data platform. In today's security environment, multi-factor authentication is critical. It protects our Veeam user accounts, our Veeam backups and our Veeam environment, and it stops security threats at the door. Veeam is easy to use, easy to set up, easy to install, and with the new features like multi-factor authentication and immutability, it does exactly what we want and it just works. It helps me sleep at night.